Hello everyone! So this is kind of my vanity / my makeup collection video. So I just wanted to show you guys my new setup. When we moved from Virginia, we got rid of absolutely everything. So the Alex drawers that I had, the desk that I had, everything, it went. Like literally we sold and got rid of all of our furniture besides our beds and our TVs. So we packed everything that we had into a tiny little pod and shipped it across the country. So I had to purchase new stuff. Also in my move, I basically got rid of a whole lot of my makeup. I took what I absolutely couldn't part with, so my collection's a little on the low side. Don't mind that. I'm really excited about the way that it's come along and it's turning out. There's still a lot that I want to do to it. I'm just going to take you by each drawer, show you what I have, show you my new setup. If you want to see my new vanity and my makeup collection, then let's get started. I'm just going to do this by my hand or holding the camera. That was the easiest way that I could think of doing it. In this shelf we have my main lipsticks. These are the ones that I reach for the most. I have some MAC at the top, then some Bite Beauty, some NARS, some Smashbox, and I got my Tarte. Then I have some Maybelline. And then I also have a little stand that holds some of my bracelets and my rings. Then I got a couple fragrances. That's the Taylor Swift Wonderstruck. The bottle next to it is the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. Those are two of my favorite smells. On this second shelf, I just have some of my smaller brushes that don't fit in the other thing that I have to hold my brushes. They go down to the very bottom and I can't see them and then I forget about them. And then these drawers just hold some of my other primers that I have. And then this drawer holds some more foundations, and then that is a mixing medium from Makeup Forever. And then these are some of my other eyeshadow stuff. I have some of the Stila Glitter and Glows, Stila eyeshadow and NARS one, Urban Decay Cowboy Glitter, some more Urban Decay shadows, some Makeup Geek loose shadows, some Makeup Forever loose shadows as well. And then right here is where I keep the majority of my palettes. These are what I reach for the majority of the time. I got my Dream Street in the front, then I have my Anastasia palettes in that middle section, and I have some Lorac, Too Faced. Those are just really what I reach for. They're easiest to put right there, and I like to see my collection. And then right in the front here are my makeup brushes. I got these containers at Ross, actually. I think it was in the random decorations section, like the mail holders and everything. That's where I got them, and they spin. It's really nice when I just need to hurry and reach for a brush. I can just spin it around and grab it. And it holds quite a bit of brushes in there. As you can see, there's way more brushes. This is empty. I tried to organize it kind of by brush type. Obviously, I don't have a lot of liner brushes and eyebrow brushes, and a lot of shadow brushes. And come over to my makeup tower. Over here on the top, I have my foundation, setting sprays, some primers, and I also have the Kathleen Lights nail polishes in front. And then on this first row, I have my mascaras, my eyeliners, my lip liners. Obviously, I'm struggling on that department. And then these are more of like my ColourPop lippy sticks and lippy pencils, and then some little sample lipsticks, the mini sizes. In here, these are all of my liquid lipsticks. You can obviously, I have a favorite type of color. I need to branch out a little more. And then these are all my satin lipsticks with some ColourPop, some Makeup Geek, some NARS. And these are my lip glosses. I have some Buxom, again some ColourPop, some Pretty Vulgar, Gerard Cosmetics. And then in this bottom one, I have my eyebrow products, my concealers. This holds my single blushes. This holds my powders, my Makeup Forever, my Laura Mercier Too Faced. This holds my bronzers, my butter bronzer, which is my favorite. I also really like this Cover FX one. Then I have some just little mini ones, some e.l.f. ones, mini hula. And then this bottom one holds my single highlights. I have a Too Faced, a couple Ofras, a couple Becca ones. Then you come over here, and here it's just this little jewelry holder I got off Amazon. I put my necklaces up there. And then this little box just has some more jewelry in it. My brother-in-law and my sister made it for me while I was in high school, and I still have it. So I throw some jewelry in there, and then I just put a couple lotions right there because I am constantly reaching for lotion, especially where we have hard water in my house, and so my hands get dry constantly. And then just ignore that little bag on the side. It's holding some stuff, and I'm too lazy to put it away. So here is my Alex drawer. My husband just got finished putting it together, and so I reorganized some of my drawers a little bit. So in this top drawer are just some eyeshadows that I don't really pick up very often. I have this Pure one I got in a BoxyCharm, the Carly Bible one, and then Ulta Beauty palette. 2 ColourPop shadow palettes in the back. Actually, this is a ColourPop shadow. The one underneath it is some NYX single shadows. We also got that from a BoxyCharm as well. Just a couple shadows in there. My NARS Narcissist palette. I like it. I just haven't been reaching for it very often, so I just threw it in there. And then I have a couple Tarte palettes. And then these are some MAC singles, and then these two are also some palettes I got in BoxyCharm. And then this second drawer holds more of some face items that I don't reach for a whole ton. I have my Tarte Pro Glow. I actually really like it. I need to use it a bit more. I just need to start reaching for it. Then I have a ColourPop highlight and blush duo. These Stila highlighters, a Starlight Star Bright highlight. They look like that, the kind of squishy ones. So I just have that trio, and then a couple other things that we got from BoxyCharm that I haven't even opened or used. Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean blush and highlight palette. I actually really like that. And then I have my Jeffree Star Manny collaboration with the highlight. Ofra body illuminator that I think I got in BoxyCharm and I haven't even opened. And then this drawer is pretty much empty. I just hold a couple of my lipsticks that I don't ever reach for down in there. This drawer will be full one day. One day. And then in this drawer just hold some of my makeup bags and some of my hair tools. The bottom drawer is just for some camera equipment. And this is a drawer on my vanity. I just have a bit of random stuff. These are all of my makeup tools, my beauty blenders, eyelash curlers, eyeliner sharpeners, puffs, things like that. This has, I guess this should go in there too. This is more of hair stuff, rubber bands, combs. This is just kind of like a mix of random stuff. I have some Cover FX illuminators, the Ofra CC cream, some mascara, lip stuff. This one right here has some ColourPop Super Shock shadows along with some blushes and highlights. Some Jouer eyeshadows, ColourPop Super Shock shadows, couple masks, and that just really holds sampley things that either get from Ipsy or when I order online and the company sends me samples. I put them all right there just so I can kind of remember to use them. And this drawer's a little on the empty side too. Once again, one day in my wildest dreams, all these drawers will be filled. I have some lashes right here. I'm not a big lash wearer, and one's missing. We'll have to find that. But occasionally when I'm feeling a bit more glam, then I'll throw some of those on. And then I have some single eyeshadows. I believe these are all ColourPop. Then I have my Makeup Geek, and then I have the Jaclyn Hill palette down there. I put them in there just because they won't fit in my palette organizer on my desk. So I've thrown them in there so they're easy to get to. And then just some round cotton puff things. And then just nail polishes that wouldn't fit up there because, believe it or not, that is all the nail polish I have since I moved from Virginia. I literally sold all of it. So So yeah, that's just about it. Nothing too exciting or fancy, but I am loving the way it's coming along. Those 2 shelves I got from IKEA. The desk itself is from IKEA. The Alex drawers are from IKEA. And then some of the little bins that I got, I've just gotten off of Amazon. My gray chair that I have, I got from Ross. So if there's anything else that you want to know where I got it from, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to respond. And if there's a link, I'll definitely send it to you. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos, makeup collection, vanity tours. Let me know if you want to see anything like this in the future. I can go section by section on each of the categories of makeup that I have. If you want to see those individually, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.